Enviro Group is an indoor engineering and air quality service provider offering integrated services to clients across all industries. With over 15 years of market expertise, our team of highly qualified professionals are able to execute cost-effective solutions and strategies for prevention and control of indoor environmental hazards. COVID-19, formerly known as novel coronavirus, can accelerate during this initial stage without enhanced proactive action placed, which may cause devastating emotional, financial, and medical effects. We at Enviro Group are equipped with the required knowledge and skill to ensure that we assist reducing the risk of contamination within an internal environment. ENVIROProtect is a unique program that uses cutting-edge technology called BioProtect and EnviroClean surface disinfectant to eliminate viruses, bacteria, germs, mold, and microorganisms to further enhance the prevention and cross-contamination of COVID-19. It reduces existing microbe populations by up to 99.99% on contact for 90 days or more. How EnviroProtect works is by stopping the breeding of superbugs. Molecules are made up of a conventional quaternary ammonium salt, organo, and a silane molecule. The organic amine with active silane creates strong bond with surface. Part of the molecule forms a tenacious bond to the treated surface, porous or non-porous. Another part forms a microscopic bed of spikes that actually punctures cell walls of microbes as they settle on a treated surface. A lethal biostatic shock is then delivered, and this prevents the breeding of stronger variants or superbug microorganisms such as MRSA or C. diff. The methodology of BioProtect 500 are disinfecting, cleaning the surface you are treating with cleaner or disinfectant suitable for the surface you are going to treat. Preparation. Application should be conducted in a safe manner, consistent with labeling. Normal precautions should be taken to make sure the area is secured and notification is displayed to wait until the area is dry before accessing. Treatment. All surfaces must be clean and dry to allow the BioProtect 500 to adhere to the surface for the longest time. Drying. The BioProtect 500 will dry in the same amount of time that water would dry on that surface. This protocol is proven, tested, and has proved its efficacy against virus, fungi, yeast, algae, bacteria gram-positive, and bacteria gram-negative. With most disinfectants, a 10-minute dwell time on a surface will render most microbes inactive. Unfortunately, disinfectants fall into the category of non-bound technologies. In other words, they off-gas poisons to be effective against viruses and microbes. By doing this, they in effect give themselves up and on total evaporation, leave little if any residual benefits. Dry surface equals zero kill. Benefits and features. Unique patented bonding technology. Long-term residual antibacterial protection. Green, does not leach or deplete like nanosilver. Safe, uses no poison or heavy metals like nanosilver. Proven independent toxicology testing. Cannot create superbugs. Antifungal and anti-mold properties. Contact us at Enviro Group Asia today to get a hassle-free assessment. We care for your business continuity and well-being, as safety is our utmost concern.